Hi, my glow girls! Eid is coming, and we all want to look fresh, confident, and put together. But honestly, glow doesn't come from makeup only. Real glow starts days before Eid with small habits. So today I'm sharing my full body glow-up routine, head to toe, that actually works. Step 1. Skin Reset 570 YS before Eid. First rule, you cannot glow if dead skin is sitting on your body. Take a warm shower and use a DIY body scrub. 3 spoons sugar, 2 spoons oil coconut or baby oil, little coffee if you have it. Massage slowly on arms, legs, neck, and especially knees and elbows. Don't rush this step. This is literally removing dullness from your skin. After washing, your skin already feels softer. That's step 1 glow unlocked. Step 2, the real glow secret most people skip. Okay, listen carefully because this changes everything after shower. Don't dry your body completely. Apply lotion on slightly wet skin and mix 1 drop of oil with it. This locks moisture inside your skin and gives that natural shiny Eid look, like your skin is healthy, not oily. Step 3. Brighten dark areas. We all have darker underarms, knees, or elbows, and it's normal. Make this simple mask 1 spoon yogurt pinch turmeric little honey apply for 10 minutes only. No harsh scrubbing please, friction actually makes darkness worse. Do this for 2 to 3 days and you'll notice smoother, brighter skin. Step 4. Hair glow transformation. Hair can literally change your whole appearance. 2 days before Eid cologne. Massage warm coconut or almond oil into your scalp for 5 minutes. Leave for a few hours, then wash and condition only the ends. Your hair becomes softer, shinier, and less frizzy. Instant glow upgrade. Step 5. Smooth skin routine. Always remove hair after shower, never on dry skin. Use conditioner while shaving and moisturize immediately after. This prevents bumps, irritation, and dark spots. Smooth skin equals automatic confidence boost. Step 6. Hands and feet most noticeable on Eid. People notice hands first when you say Eid Mubarak. Soak hands and feet in warm water with shampoo and salt for 10 minutes. Scrub gently, apply thick cream or Vaseline, and wear socks overnight. Next morning, baby soft hands and heels. Step 7. Eid morning instant glow. Wrap an ice cube in cloth and gently rub on your face for 1 minute. This tightens pores, removes puffiness, and makes makeup look flawless. Then apply moisturizer and keep makeup soft and fresh. Remember glowing skin, not heavy makeup. Final big sis advice. Your glow is not just skincare. Drink water, sleep properly, relax because confidence is the real glow people notice first. If you found this helpful, comment Eid Glow so I know my glow girls are ready. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your bestie because we're all glowing this Eid together.